Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon Dominican style. First, ensure your 2 salmon fillets are clean and thoroughly patted dry. Next, combine fresh lime juice, minced garlic, oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper to create a vibrant marinade. This blend infuses the fish with authentic Caribbean flavors. Allow the salmon to marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to an hour to absorb all the delicious seasonings. Now let's cook our perfectly marinated salmon. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Sear for about 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is beautifully crispy and golden. Then, flip the salmon and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes, or until it reaches your desired doneness. While the salmon rests, let's create a vibrant sauce. In the same pan, add a bit more olive oil if needed, then sauté diced onions and colorful bell peppers until they are tender. Stir in diced fresh tomatoes, a splash of white wine, and a touch of vegetable or fish broth. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to slightly thicken. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious Dominican-style salmon. Carefully place each salmon fillet onto a plate and spoon a generous amount of the aromatic sauce over the top. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley adds a lovely pop of color and freshness. This dish is perfect with a side of rice or plantains. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.